Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What's up, everybody? I'm 100% wearing the wrong shoes right now for this, but it's whatever. I hope I don't wreck in my Adidas. Freaking laces hanging out and everything. Oh well. So I've been thinking. For those of you that know me or watch the channel, you know that I have a 2019 V6 Camaro, and I love that thing, man. It is the best daily, and it is my daily, and that's a big reason why I got the V6 in the first place. But I mean, that thing is specced out. It's a 2019 3LT RS, like fully loaded basically. There's a couple of things I didn't want that aren't on there, like the sunroof. I didn't want a sunroof. But basically it has like all the options. And of course it's camo wrap now. And it's got a bunch of aftermarket parts on it. Obviously the custom exhaust, wicker bill, front splitter, air intake, some other little bits and pieces here and there. And it's great, and I love it. And honestly, I wanted to keep it for a long time, but it has come to my attention that Chevy is again ending the production of the Camaro, and that's going to be like 23 or 24, and the 23 models are already out. So I'm kind of feeling like I should get rid of mine and replace it with like a 2SS 1LE or something. Because now that I'm done with college, I got a stable job, I'm like running a business and stuff, I'm in a position to where I could just buy it outright and be okay. I don't even have to worry about the interest rates, which are stupid right now. My original plan was to basically run that car till the wheels fell off, because I mean, I love it. It's awesome, it's done amazing. And eventually I was gonna upgrade to something later on when I just like really got bored of it or something. I've also dabbled with the idea of replacing it with a 24 Mustang, but I still don't know how I feel about that car. I know it's going to be on the new Ford's new electrical architecture, so it's going to be a lot harder to modify and mess with, which kind of sucks. And also there won't be as much aftermarket support for it, which, I mean, I don't go crazy with my cars, but it is something I would want, and not being able to tune it at least right off the bat and kind of do what I want to it, I'm a little iffy on it. Plus I love the Camaro's platform. Like even my V6 handles beautifully, certainly way better than the old Mustang I had, but I mean, I love it, it's awesome. And I am perfectly fine sticking with the Camaro, just getting the V8 version essentially. And also, I think the 1LE would be kind of cool, you know, keep a little value in it, have something different, more fun, more track focused. I see you. Don't you pull out in front of me. I'll eat you alive. Jeffrey Dom Nom 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 Nom. So yeah, I'm just kind of ping-ponging that idea around in my head. And also, like, if I can't get a decent deal on one or something, then I'm not really even gonna bother with it. Because I know with the way the market is right now, I mean, interest rates suck obviously, but like, Camaros are hard to come by. They're more rare. They used to be like flooded all the lots around here. Now like nobody has one. And if they do, it's some really stupid overpriced spec. Like the only new Camaro my current dealer has, it's like some shock and steel convertible, and like it just looks ugly and awful, and it's more expensive than I would even want mine to be. I'm like, I'm definitely not paying more for that. That's gross. But yeah, so my car is for sale for the right price, if anyone wants to buy it. And I mean, I baby that thing. I mean, I have fun with it, obviously, but it's babied. I take care of it. I wash it all the time. It's gotten all its oil changes early. Hey, it's not your turn, Mustang. See, this is why I don't want a Mustang. These guys suck. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I don't know, just an idea I had. So, I don't know, maybe in the future sometime soon, maybe not. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and if anyone has opinions about my situation, hit me up, let me know, message me, send me pictures of your feet. What? I'm just kidding, please don't do that. I will block you. But yeah, let me get out of here. Tasty wheel lock. I gotta do something about that little loose piece. This is also completely random, but I've thought about selling the bike, but I can't. Every time I get on it, I'm like, nope, I'm keeping it. And I feel that way about my Camaro, except for the fact that if I replaced it, it would be with another Camaro, so I can justify it. But yeah, walking through a parking lot with a helmet on. Yeah, peace out, Girl Scouts. Catch you guys next time. Nyom.